About a year ago, we launched the Sidewinder, the #1 funded MacBook accessory of 2017 on Kickstarter. And today, we have over 40,000 happy customers. We spend thousands of dollars on products that organize and simplify our lives. So why is organization and functionality completely ignored on their accessories? We read hundreds of reviews of people saying, first, why did they remove the MagSafe? Second, why don't they include the extension cable with the laptop anymore? And lastly, why did they remove the cable management tabs? Introducing the Sidekick by Fuse, your MacBook's best friend. The Sidekick's patent-pending design allows you to simply stick, pop, and wind your charger in under 6 seconds. Its reinforced notches allow you to conveniently adjust the length of the cable, whether you're 1 foot or 7 feet from an outlet. Its soft-touch rubber rim is extremely durable, keeping your cable clean and damage-free. Its collapsible design leaves a minimal footprint, still allowing your charger to be plugged in almost anywhere. So no matter where you go, your Sidekick will always be with you, organizing and protecting your laptop's most important tool.
The vision was to make charging your phone as simple as placing it on a surface. And to achieve this vision, we created the world's first long-distance wireless charger with a range of 40 millimeters. Charge your phone on the surface by placing the charger underneath it. A true wireless charging experience that disappears into your environment. Introducing Energy, the invisible fast wireless charger. Simply mount your Energy wireless charger using the adhesive mount, or screws for a more permanent fix, and begin charging your phone. With Energy, you can charge your phone through any organic surface, such as wood, granite, marble, glass, quartz, through thick cases and pop sockets. And because Energy is a Qi wireless charger, it can charge all current wireless charging smartphones, including flagship Apple and Android devices out of the box. Energy follows the next generation Qi power transfer system, utilizing magnetic resonance and enabling Energy to charge wirelessly at 10 watts with a range of 40 millimeters, and Energy Nano with a range of 15 in black or white. Each package comes with an Energy wireless charger, a 6-foot USB-C cable, a fast 3.0 adapter, surface stickers, 4 screws and 3 adhesive mounts. Charge your phone through any tabletop and experience true wireless charging, moving towards a wireless future. This is Energy.
Here in Philly, as in many other parts of the world, starting your car when it's cold out can be a challenge. There's nothing worse than trying to start your car and nothing. You could call for roadside assistance, but that might mean waiting a long time in your freezing cold car. Or you could get out your jumper cables and look for someone to ask for help. But if there's no one around, you're stuck. That's where the CarAid Multi-Tool 3S comes in. This compact, ergonomic handheld device will start just about any vehicle that has a 12-volt battery, including most cars and some lightweight pickups. Just hook up the jumper cables to the corresponding positive and negative terminals and turn the key. As long as your battery life is still at 50% or more, the Multi-Tool 3S will start your engine. Handheld jump-start battery technology is still pretty new, and so far, the devices coming out on the market have been bulky and awkward. So we thought, what if it was shaped like a flashlight? The cylindrical shape fits naturally into the human hand, and it also fits into a cup holder for easy access, or in your glove box, door pocket, or console. So convenient. But the patent-pending CarAid Multi-Tool 3S is so much more than just a jump starter. It's also an escape tool that breaks glass and cuts seat belts to save your life in case your car goes underwater. The escape tool and cutter are hidden so kids can't accidentally hurt themselves if they get a hold of it. There's also a convenient compass and even a burglar alarm that makes a loud noise to scare off an attacker. And there's also a power bank that lets you charge an phone, laptop, or other device up to 3 times before needing to be charged itself. In case your car breaks down in the dark, this handy multi-tool also features an ultra-bright mega flashlight that shines up to 230 meters or 755 feet. This water-resistant, dirt-resistant, and shock-resistant tool is a must-have for every car owner for both convenience and safety. The Mega Flashlight also acts as an SOS light and an emergency flasher. Did you know that last year alone, at least 30 people died in the US from being trapped underwater in their car? People in that situation often panic and don't realize until they're submerged that the door won't open and the windows won't roll down because of the water pressure outside the car. Other situations can occur too, in which people can't get their seatbelts unbuckled. That actually happened to a friend of ours. A tree fell during a storm and pinned him in. The CarAid Multi-Tool 3S is just what you need in this situation. And luckily, with it right there in your cup holder or console, all you have to do is grab it and break the window or cut the seatbelt. Its 3 reflective bands help you find it in the dark. Our team is so excited to bring this product to you. After several prototypes, we have finalized what we believe is the perfect design, and we are proud to say that in September 2018, our lawyer filed for our patent. We're official. Tooling, testing, revisions, final prototypes, all are done. And in fact, we have already completed our first manufacturing run, so most backers will receive their multi-tools shortly after our campaign ends. Our next step is to hire more staff and expand production, making larger volume orders possible so we can pass along the price savings to our customers. That's where your support comes in. To be the first on your block to get your own CarAid Multi-Tool 3S and possibly pick up a few extras for your loved ones as well, just look through the rewards and decide on the one that's right for you, then complete your pledge. Thanks so much for your support, and stay safe out there.